Hi, I'm Hester and I'm from Birkbeck's Access and Engagement Department. We've been working with Newham Local Authority and Newham residents over the last few months to build a series of community learning activities in the borough. Community learning is really important to us, and it's important that we're offering people opportunities to engage with us in their local area.
We are outside Newham Town Hall, where we're doing a community leadership course for Newham residents who are involved in community development projects. We've been covering topics such as community leadership, project management, and today we're going to do engagement, and we're also going to look at wellbeing and resilience. This came out of a consultation that our outreach officer in the Stratford campus did with Newham residents and community groups, identifying some of the community leadership project development needs in the borough.
So far we've been doing a lot of work around a number of different topics, from things like leadership styles and what works best in a community type organisational environment, through to fundraising, how to access funds and how to project manage when working in a charity environment, and it's all been really useful practical stuff.
I have been teaching in the Stratford campus for almost 10 years now, and I do the community development and public policy undergraduate, and we also do the community leadership certificate at Stratford. We have had huge amounts of local residents, people from voluntary and community sector groups, learning about community development, learning about policy, trying to enhance their career or just get more involved in their community.
I like the group discussion because you do tend to learn more by discussion listen to people's different opinions.
I really like the mix of practical teaching along with the sort of academic perspectives that the teacher brings to the sessions.
This is one of the most diverse boroughs, but what I like about it particularly is that even though you have these huge diversity in the training and also at campus, there's a real common ground about trying to initiate projects for the betterment of the borough, for people who live here, and there's a real cohesive spirit in these sessions.
It's something I would like to continue and probably see more of, to let other people in Newham know about this kind of program and opening up for other people. We're more than this in Newham, but just a handful came. Maybe they don't know about it.